We can do this! This right here. Oh! Why is it so... Hey guys, James and Mark here with another mukbang. Today we are going to be embarking on a food challenge.
So we have Dan and Irene. Please answer for us where you're from, what's your favorite food, and how did you find us?
I'm Irene, and my favorite food is anything carbs. So like pasta, rice. I think I've known Mark and James for almost over 10 years. We met at UCI at our co-ed fraternity.
Hey, I'm Dan. My favorite food, that's tough. I would say, I love pizza, I love American food, but I think my favorite food is probably Korean BBQ.
Oh.
I found you guys through Irene when we were first dating. I came actually over to your old place.
Yeah.
And for a Halloween party.
For Halloween?
Oh, yes. We were dressed as minions.
Yes.
Hazel, say hi.
This is Hazel. She's just turned 6 months.
Yeah.
And your favorite food is breast milk?
And maybe, and out of the avocados and carrots that she's tried, I think avocado.
Oh, okay.
Alright, so today we are going to be doing 20 packs of Chacharoni.
Chacharoni.
Sorry.
And we're doing this because we're eating Korean barbecue, and Irene said you like all things carbs and noodles, so we thought this could be a very easy challenge for Irene.
Okay. Good.
We say that now.
Yeah. It's going to be good until we're like 6 pounds in, and then it's not going to be very good anymore.
I'm starving because I actually didn't eat
I think
to
none of us
prepare. It's good.
I think we could do this.
I think so.
You think so?
Yeah.
You think so?
I'm not very confident in this at all. I love these too, but this is a lot of noodles.
How is it cooking 20 packs of noodles, Mark?
Yeah.
A lot of work. I'm sweating a lot, actually.
Are you ready to open
But-
like a catering business?
No, I think I can. And the only thing on the menu is this noodles. Yeah? Would you hire me?
Good call on the radish. In between bites, it really helps.
Yeah. My strategy is just to eat as much as I can in the first 5 minutes.
Okay,
Just
yeah.
keep shoveling.
That's a good
Yeah.
strategy.
Because like food expands in your stomach, and I just want to eat as much as I can.
Have you guys watched mukbangs before?
Not until you guys started.
Yeah, I don't think
okay.
so.
Yeah.
What do you think of them?
I personally think it's
I wish I
interesting.
could do it.
Yeah, I like that you get to see a different, a lot of variety of foods and stuff, and things maybe you wouldn't usually enjoy.
Yeah.
Or do?
Or make. Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe start a channel.
I don't know about that.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Biggest bite.
Biggest bite you can
let's,
take.
Let's do it.
'cause-
Okay.
Should have put like something down on the floor.
Should have brought like
Need
a
a
baby
bib for
mat.
this?
Yeah.
Right.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, boy.
Oh.
What are you doing over there?
Oh, I hear it.
I feel like you guys have made a
James and I
dent.
are, like,
we have not at all.
Good.
Come on,
I'm
Dan.
making gargantuan bites because I know I will slow down later.
Do you like how we're all wearing black today?
No
That's our
stains.
strategy.
Did someone die?
So what's the drink that you have? The cider?
This is a Chuseong cider. It's probably like an OG carbonated drink in Korea, like one of the
Okay.
original ones. Yeah, but it's like a Sprite.
Okay, right.
Like Sprite, yeah.
I'm glad we're standing though. I feel like it's helping.
Oh, yeah.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
Can you imagine all the
Yeah.
settling?
Yeah.
I think that
Yeah.
definitely helps.
Yeah.
I'm afraid the texture of this after like half of a tray is gonna start to get old.
Now, did you guys ever think you would ever eat on camera?
No.
I always told her she should because she eats so much.
Yeah, we'll go to Korean BBQ with Irene, and sometimes the three of us will just sit there and watch her.
And she's like, oh, can you get more brisket? What?
Back in the day.
Oh gosh, it just hit me.
I know, I'm like having to do some deep breaths here.
Like, I'm dreading this bite now. That's how bad it got.
I'm sweating,
guys.
I'm nervous.
I can do this.
Whose idea was this originally?
I think it was Mark.
I'm pretty
That
sure.
was your idea
I
for
think it was
sure.
Mark.
Yeah, 100% it was
I
your
wanted
idea.
nothing to do with this. I want to make that clear.
Since we've known Mark, he's always the one that proposes like these ideas where no one wants to do it, and then once we do it, we're all suffering.
Oh,
I'm scared of burping. I think the noodles will come out. Or sneezing. Like all the
Noodles out your nose,
Noodles
yeah.
just have to come out somewhere because it's like.
Look up like famous inspirational speeches or something.
How about that guy who won the gold medal running the marathon without shoes?
Oh, wait, really?
I don't know, I think this is
When?
harder.
I also read somewhere like before you go to like a job interview, you go in front of a mirror and you yell at yourself like, I could do this. I am the best.
So should we all
Should we do that really quick? We should do that right
so
now.
let's do it
Okay.
right now.
We can do this!
I am the best.
I am the best!
I'm the best. Okay. Oh, I think this is gonna work. I could do 2 more bites after this.
Okay,
Alright,
okay.
alright.
I feel the,
let's
I
do
feel
it.
the energy actually.
It's definitely the texture for me. It's just like slime. Like,
It started out very great.
It's
The
very
first
small.
taste was delicious.
It's very soft.
Yeah, it was very soft. It was good. It was nice and warm.
Now it's all like it's a clump.
Yeah. I just had a vision of me being like a tiny person climbing up this. I'm hallucinating.
Oh, yeah, you are. You're starting.
The noodle mountain is.
I know. Here.
Oh, no.
Should I do that for this side? I know. You're like I'm in a boxing match, and Irene's like the one that like dabs off my
where's the water?
sweat. I know, right?
I'm not confident anymore.
I can't even look at someone eating it right now.
I know that just.
No.
Yeah, I'm hallucinating too. It's starting to look like that. Remember that what's the mind flare from Stranger Things? That's what it's starting to look
Okay,
like
I don't
now.
want to talk about
Just
it.
Like we have to eat it quicker because it'll be harder to eat once it like
I know.
turns into lasagna.
It's true. Every time I look at it, I hate it.
You have that one pack at home. So.
I know, I have 4 packs of this at home still. They're going straight in the trash. That'll be the reward. As soon as if we finish this, I get to go home and I get to
I might
throw all
have
the
to
other
tap
packs of this
out.
in the garbage.
I always had a problem floating in a swimming pool. If I went to one right now, I think I would be okay.
No, you'll sink to the bottom.
Yeah, would this help
Yeah.
you
Really?
float or would this
It's
make
like-
you sink?
Make
Concrete.
you sink.
Oh, I just feel extra buoyant right now.
You're having an out-of-body experience.
I think so.
I think we ate 70%. So what's 70 out of 20?
Like 15?
Can we just
15, 75%. Yeah, why do you make me do math right now? My other organs are working overload right now.
70% of 10. 70% of 10.
Oh,
7.
four- oh,
Multiply
so
that by
2.
2.
14.
It's 14.
Oh, Dan's the only Asian one. Oh,
We're going for it.
Come on, guys, you can do it.
we could do it. You are the best.
If it was the cheese ball barrel challenge, I could finish that. We had
What?
four barrels of cheese balls. I could help you each finish those.
I feel like I need to rub Vaseline down inside my throat.
Oh yeah.
Oh
There it is. We're back. See, we're back to you
All right.
gotta just shovel the largest bites you can in. That's it. Let's do it.
Oh.
Are you okay? Okay.
You scared Hazel, but then
You guys feel it in your body right now.
right
Oh
here.
gosh, yeah,
Oh,
me too.
that's right there?
Me too.
Mine is like, yours is in your throat?
Here all the way.
Mine's right here.
Oh gosh.
Below my nipple line.
Oh,
Oh.
that's right here. Oh! Why is it so Why is it so firm? It feels like you know those floaties that people wear in the pool, but like blown up to the max.
Okay. I'm tapping out.
What happened to the big bite, huh?
I did a good share.
Yeah, you did. I feel like I failed, guys.
Well, we did. Maybe if I ate with like get a glove and eat with my hand, I could shovel in more.
At a time. Oh, that just thinking about that right now, this made me sick.
Oh my gosh.
Oh gosh.
Any better?
Oh, I don't like it in my hand.
Was that you?
Okay. I can't watch.
Not done yet. Oh.
Okay.
Okay, I'm done.
All right, so it looks like we did not succeed at doing this. What 20
packets.
stupid idea. I want to ask everyone to think of one word to describe your experience in this video.
It was bonding.
Mushy.
Soft.
No. Yeah, so if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and if you want to see Dan and Irene and Hazel on our channel again, let us know down below in the comments, and we'll see you guys for our next video. Bye.
Bye.